I just want to read out a message that's just come in from Home Minister Amit Shah. He's taken to social media and posted. I'm reading his post here. He says, with a heavy heart, paid last respects to the deceased of the Pahalgam terror attack. But he's also said, Bharat will not bend to terror. He says here in his post, Bharat will not bend to terror. The culprits of this dastardly terror attack will not be spared. So that's the message from Home Minister Amit Shah. The second time he sent out a very direct message to these terrorists that we will not forget, we will not forgive, that there will be action. He's vowed to avenge these terror killings. And this is a message that Prime Minister Modi also put out last evening, where in his post on social media, he said that our resolve to end terror is unshakable. And this has only reiterated that further. Home Minister Amit Shah, after meeting with the family members of all those who've lost their loved ones in that terror strike, clearly has put out a very emotional post on social media saying Bharat will not bend to terror. The culprits of this dastardly terror attack will not be spared. The message from the government is of retaliation, is of a strong response. What manner of retaliation are we talking about? What kind of a response are we talking about? I'm guessing that in the hours to come, especially with a cabinet meet scheduled to take place at 6 p.m. this evening, we will know exactly how the government chooses to respond to this dastardly terror strike that's taken place in Pahalgam, where 28 innocent people have been killed. Home Minister Amit Shah with a clear, resounding message, and every citizen will be listening to this, because every citizen today is angry, is seeking that there be revenge and seeking that we avenge these deaths that have taken place in the terror attack in Pahalgam. So when the Home Minister says Bharat will not bend to terror, it's an important message, and everyone will be watching out to see how the Home Minister chooses to respond to this kind of a provocation by terrorists, chooses to respond to terrorists so brazenly targeting innocents in what can only be called a cowardly strike on innocents when they were there in Pahalgam enjoying the beauty of the valley. Now at 6 p.m. is when the cabinet meet will be taking place. Home Minister Amit Shah, after visiting Anantnag, visiting the injured, will be headed straight back to Delhi to brief Prime Minister Modi in person and his colleagues in the cabinet on exactly what needs to be done on going forward, the road ahead, especially since Home Minister Amit Shah has been there in Pahalgam, in Srinagar, holding high-level meetings, meeting with personnel on the ground to understand how something like this happened. And also with reports suggesting that these terrorists even conducted a recce in the first week of April. There will be questions about a security lapse, which the Home Minister will take up very, very seriously. These are images from earlier of Home Minister Amit Shah also meeting with the relatives who broke down, visibly shattered. Many of these men and women you see around the Home Minister and those children, they survived the terror strike yesterday. And so in clearly a state of shock, in grief, as they head home after a holiday with coffins of their loved ones, they want action to be taken. Piyush Mishra is joining us with more on this. Piyush, a clear message coming out from the government. Look, there's no clarity right now, Piyush, on what kind of action, what kind of response, what kind of retaliation we're talking about. But retaliation will be there. And that's been made clear by the Prime Minister yesterday, by the Home Minister today.
Well, absolutely, actions will be taken, retaliation will be there, and for that the government is, preparing also. What we are now learning is that Prime Minister is also to hold the meeting of Cabinet Committee on Security today in the evening at around 6 p.m. Before that, we are also getting these visuals of Home Minister Amit Shah, who has met with relatives of victim in this entire terror attack, and Amit Shah, Home Minister Amit Shah has also sent out a message on a social media platform X, where he says, and I quote, "With a heavy heart, paid last respects to the deceased of the Pahalgam terror attack. Bharat will not bend to terror. The culprits of this dastardly terror attack will not be spared." So Home Minister Amit Shah has made it very clear that culprits of this attack will not be spared, and government will ensure that each and every perpetrator is brought to justice. For that, you would also remember, Akshita, that yesterday itself a strong message was sent out by Prime Minister. He spoke to Home Minister Amit Shah and directed him to reach there to Jammu and Kashmir. And remember that yesterday, after chairing a meet with LG Manoj Sinha and other top officials of Jammu and Kashmir, MHA, IB, intelligence, Home Minister Amit Shah rushed to Srinagar. He then there at Srinagar held a meeting with Omar Abdullah and other officials, and after that today in the morning we are now seeing how he met with the victims and also the family members whose family members have lost their lives. Family members of deceased were the part of this entire meeting with whom Home Minister Amit Shah met, and he also paid his last respects to the deceased. He has also made it very clear that the culprits behind this will not be spared. A strong message coming in from Home Minister Amit Shah.